Similar to other Fibonacci tools, two arcs facing the same direction could be combined. However, in practice, areas where there are two arcs close together don't necessarily hold more significance than areas where price just contacts a single Fibonacci arc. This is especially true when arcs are spread further apart and price nears the end of the Fibonacci arcs. Another option to combine Fibonacci arcs in the same direction is to position them in a similar way to a trend-based Fibonacci time zone. But regardless of how the Fibonacci arcs are combined in the same direction, it's not very useful to have them too close together like this. Instead, it's better to have one Fibonacci arc comparatively much larger than the other. That means there's more space between the two arcs and less clutter on the chart, resulting in it being much easier to see instances where movement approximates the curvature of the arcs.